Cwestiynau'r Wythnos. This week there were changes to the Welsh Conservatives Shadow Cabinet, First Minister's questions surrounding health and business, and the publication of the Welsh Government's final budget for 2026 to 2027. On Tuesday, the leader of the Welsh Conservatives, Darren Millar, removed the whip from James Evans MS and sacked him as Shadow Cabinet Secretary for Health and Social Care. This was following his criticism of the UK Conservatives leadership and the belief that he intends to defect to Reform UK. If he did defect, this would make James Evans the second Welsh Conservative Senate member to defect to Reform, following Laura Ann Jones MS's defection last July. The Welsh Conservatives have now appointed Peter Fox MS as their new spokesperson for health and social care. During First Minister's questions this week, Darren Millar MS asked the First Minister about increased waits for cancer care in Wales. He raised that 4 in 10 patients do not start their treatment within the 62 days of cancer first being identified. Cwestiynau'r MS focused his questions on the economy, business and investment. There's been some updates to ongoing Welsh Government legislation this week, as the Welsh Government's Mental Health Act has received royal assent. The Welsh Government has also published the final budget for 2026 to 2027. It confirms uplifts for health and social care and local government following the deal with Plaid Cymru to allow the budget to pass. The Cabinet Secretary for Housing and Local Government has published the final local government settlement for 2026 to 2027, which outlines a budget allowance given to Welsh councils over the next period. The budget agreement between the Welsh Government and Plaid Cymru secured an additional £112.8 million to support local. Next week we'll be seeing further progress made on Welsh Government legislation, with both the Prohibition of Greyhound Racing Wales Bill and the Building Safety Wales Bill entering Stage 2 proceedings. Next week's plenary will see debates on the final budget and the local government settlement, and questions to be answered by the Counsel General and Minister for Delivery, as well as questions to the Cabinet Secretaries for Housing and Local Government and Education. That's all from us this week at Camlas. Hwyl am y tro.